I was inspired by Aldous Huxley's Doors of Perception, where he speaks about this light around plants that he sees when he's in an altered state. My name is Lindy Sales. I'm an artist from Cape Town. This piece for Facebook was originally inspired by a microscopic image of a sabutal crystal. And sabutal is a substance used in my asthma inhaler. The crystals almost appear to have auras around them or a rainbow spectrum within them. I like to bring something personal and then marry it with something that I find within the science realm. Then I start actually making the units. So that begins with working with meters and meters of plastic, which I hand paint, and then it's cut into varied sizes. For this piece, I wanted it to be very colorful. It's very organic, and the process needed to be hand cut in order for it to look organic. I don't want my work to be prescriptive in any way. I make the work intuitively, and I want people to interpret that in whichever way they want. It's really just to remind us about connectivity, about connecting to nature, connecting to other human beings. It's important for me to make artworks because I can't imagine my life without creating in some way or another.